Yo, what's up YouTube? It's me, Carson Blego, and
Jacob.
And today we're gonna be opening the WWE. It's gonna be a three-parter. But basically, all we have is the Rock, Championship Showdown, Kane versus Edge, and Drew McIntyre, the Scottish psychopath. And today we're gonna be unboxing these two. Will be in a separate video. We're gonna do Drew McIntyre in another video because the main event is here. The Rock, Rocky Mavia. I forgot to turn off the ring. Alright, that's better. His description states, they are champions, they are main eventers, they are among the most popular, larger-than-life fan favorites, superstars in WWE. No action figure collection is complete without them. That's why they are top picks. Alright, and now to open this up. Oh wait, I almost forgot. The other figures in here are John Cena. We already have him. We already have Roman Reigns. We already have Braun Strowman. So we don't have the top picks, but we already have the figures. And we didn't pick them up. So here we go. Alright, so anyways, gonna open it up. Let's see. This basic packaging is like one of the best packages. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You guys, this, and I do not have any other Rock figures. This is my very first WWE Rock figure ever. Like in my entire collection. Here is the mold, whatever it is. Oh my goodness, look at this. He is huge. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. The sad part about this Rock figure, guys, is that he does not come with a new Rock figure tattoo. Or not Rock figure, but anyways, you guys, look at this Rock. It's like one of the best Rocks that I have in my, or the only Rock I have. The sad thing is he does not have the updated Brahma Bull tattoo. And he has a very good face scan. Look at this face scan. It's like really cool, really good. Good job on Mattel for making this head sculpt. And I will show you the points of articulation. It says it goes that far up, that far down, not too much like all the other wrestling figures. But it's not really a big deal, right? You can tilt it. It goes 360. The arm could go this far up, this far down. It has one single it goes like not like 90 degrees, and this is good articulation because he has the elbow pad, so it's like very good articulation. And I love the detailing Mattel did on his figure. Look at this, it goes all the way to the other side. Man, that's super cool. Yep. And look at this. And his underwear or trunks, I mean, say The Rock. Focus. There we go. And then right here we have the Brahma Bull. Here, his knee goes this far. Oh no! Oh my goodness! Wow. Okay. All right. This is as far as it can go. Like this. Pretty good. Pretty decent. It's just like the new figures. They just, the knee pads are like very hard to do. And this, you can't move it because look at this right here. And since I don't think you can move it, yeah, you can't move it, or at least I think, because this is a new figure, brand new out of the package, like we just showed you guys. So yeah, this was a great figure in my opinion. Look at this, his head sculpt, like wow.
So the saddest thing of this right here.
Oh yeah, you're all right that they don't have the updated new Brahma Bull tattoo. Yeah. So anyways, guys, like The Rock says, do you smell what The Rock is cooking? And this is a great figure as a basic. Like elites are good for this. But yeah. This is a good figure. And now we're gonna open the other figure in another video in part 2. So stay tuned for that. And I will see you guys on the, wait, no, not yet. Oh yeah, you guys have to watch our videos, our other videos first before you can subscribe, because I've seen that like a lot of people that watch my videos aren't subscribed. And not only that, I only get like 60 views per video, and I have like 300 subscribers. Watch my videos, or else. I'm kidding, nothing will happen. But just watch them.
And subscribe to Cars to Lego and notifications, and we'll see you on the next one.
Goodbye.
Bye!